All right, guys, let's get straight into it. 1996 Chevy Impala SS. She has a little over 30,000 miles. She got the stock 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter LT1 V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. She has a set of 22-inch Culture Classic rips, and she can be purchased with or without the wheels. Paint, in my opinion, is in driver quality condition. She is 6.5. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. Interior is nice and clean. Let's check her out. This was the last full-size GMB body that rolled off the assembly line. Yeah, she's essentially a police car. She shares a lot of parts with the 9C1 police package. This car is really the car that paved the way for your four-door muscle cars like your Chargers, your Hellcats. She has minor blemishes, but from 3 feet away, she's good. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs on the lower doors. And deck lid in good shape. She has the factory RPO code sticker. Trunk nice and clean. As y'all can see, she's solid. Interior's nice and clean. She has power windows, power locks, bucket seats, SS embroidered headrest, console with floor mounted shifter. Seats in nice condition. Headliner good. Let's check out that dash. As y'all can see, she reads a little over 30,000. Upper dash. Lower. Back seat in good condition also. She's nice and clean. Package tray. Engine bay is nice and clean. And there she is, the 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter LT1 V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. She has power brakes, power steering, AC, cruise control, all the creature comforts. Start her up. Y'all make sure y'all go check her out at rollingmuseums.com. Got over 100 detailed photos on her. We have financing available. All the contact information going to be in the description below. Don't miss out. Piece of history. She's running like a sewing machine. Thank y'all guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Y'all have a good one.